Our two standards for this are going to focus on the technology standards and the social studies standards for the state. I absolutely love this lesson because technology integration plays a huge role in this lesson. Our two technology standards are to collect information from a variety of digital sources and to create a project using digital tools. I'm also going to touch base on what net standards will be used in this lesson as well. Number 7 is defined as to determine causes and events leading to the American Revolution, including the French and Indian War, the Stamp Act, the Intolerable Acts, the Boston Massacre, and the Boston Tea Party. Number 8 states to identify major events of the American Revolution, including the battles of Lexington and Concord, Bunker Hill, Saratoga, and Yorktown.
Students, let's begin reading aloud from pages 1831 from George versus George, The American Revolution as Seen from Both Sides. So far, can any one of you tell me when the Boston Massacre actually occurred?
June 19th.
Is it March 5th, 1770?
Yes, March 5th, 1770 is the correct date.
Students will be broken into groups of 4. Now that we have our groups divided into groups of 4, I will assign each group a certain task to research. Now this is where the technology will be integrated into the lesson. The students will use their computers, laptops, or any smart devices to research their topic. Okay, when students go into the internet to create their timeline, they will be using tikitalki.com, and their timelines will be used as their assessment. So I'll make sure that they understand that they have to provide me with the correct dates, definitions, and to be free of spelling errors. This timeline is an awesome tool because it will allow for the students to refer back to what was covered, and collaboration is involved, so the students who need extra assistance may continue to collaborate later. Once the students have finished, we will have a discussion, and I will ask students, what would have happened if the Boston Massacre and the Boston Tea Party would have never happened? Then I can follow up and ask the students, if these events never happened, would the battles that came after still have happened? Why did the battles of Lexington and Concord even happen? Bunker Hill, Saratoga, Yorktown? What was the most important thing that these battles had in common? Let's refer back to our technology standards. Our technology standards state, collect information from a variety of digital sources and create a product using digital tools. For this lesson, we want to allow our students to type and record or give their answers orally instead of writing. Students will need to bring their own device or have a computer lab on hand and a required plug-in for online timelines. The website that they will be using to make their technology timelines is www.tikitoki.com. When we look at our ISTE standards, it's important to remind our students to be creative when they are creating their timelines. When they are looking at research and information fluency, students should apply digital tools to gather, evaluate, and use information. As well, because the students will be focusing on 1, 2, and 3.